Introducing MaxPay Global for Dynamics 365. Most retail systems allow a merchant to connect to one single processor, or just a handful. MaxPay Global connects to all processors. With MaxPay Global, merchants can connect to multiple processors all at once, or can mix and match within their organization, making the options truly limitless. MaxPay Global is a universal payment connector connecting to all processors worldwide. A merchant can also connect with multiple processors across multiple countries. MaxPay Global is multinational, supporting all currencies worldwide. You have the flexibility of choosing the processor best suited for your business and its various locations. So if your store's in France, you can connect with French payment providers, in Australia, Australian ones, United Arab Emirates, China, just to name a few. MaxPay Global enables your customer to shop how they want. Purchasing call center? Pick up curbside. For a hassle-free, contactless experience. Purchase order online? Pick up in store. For a quick and easy experience. As a merchant, choose the devices best suited to the way that your customer wants to shop. MaxPay Global supports fixed terminals in store, along with tablets and mobile devices. You can even pick up in one store and return in any store. Make a purchase with a digital wallet or QR code. The customer gets to choose the way they want to shop with you. MaxPay Global supports virtually any business, including hospitality, retail, and transportation. You have complete flexibility of choice. Choose the processor best for your business. Choose the processor in each country your stores are located in. Choose the devices best suited to engage with your customer. MaxPay Global is omni-channel. MaxPay Global is fully integrated with all sales channels within Dynamics 365, supporting payments at any touchpoint. Contact us for additional information and a product demo. We're looking forward to hearing from you.